When it comes to inventory management, the right choice can transform your entire operation. Meet inFlow Inventory and Sortly, both designed for managing inventory but with distinct features. Both platforms allow you to create beautiful product catalogs that are easy to navigate. Cloud-based access is a shared advantage, enabling you to manage inventory from anywhere, anytime. However, inFlow provides dedicated order management features that create a more structured workflow. While Sortly emphasizes a flexible folder system, inFlow ensures all aspects of orders are integrated. inFlow's features include unlimited products, barcoding, and unparalleled order management capabilities. On the contrary, Sortly has limitations on product count and only offers basic report generation. If you need advanced manufacturing capabilities and Shopify integration, inFlow outshines Sortly. Deciding between the two depends on whether you prioritize a holistic approach or streamlined simplicity.